Use of conditional control blocks.
Many times you have to do a task which is dependent on some condition. For example, you have to make mango shake. There are two conditions. A. Go to the refrigerator and check if there are mangoes. If mangoes are there, then you will make mango shake. B. If the mangoes are not there, you will make cold coffee. Here, the condition is the availability of mango. We can also write this in two ways. 1. If mango is available, then make the mango shake. 2. If mango is available, then make the mango shake. Else, make cold coffee. In such situations, we use conditional blocks. Scratch has two conditional blocks. They are 1. If, then block. In this block, if the condition is true, the blocks inside conditional block will run. If the condition is false, the blocks inside conditional block will not run. Only the blocks outside the conditional block will run. 2. If, then, else block. In this block, if the condition is true, the blocks inside then condition will run. If the condition is false, the blocks inside else condition will run. You can also use the forever and repeat blocks with these blocks.
Try out the following examples. Suppose we want to check whether a person is a senior citizen or not. The code for this can be defined using if, then, as. But this code does not give an output if the age of the person is less than or equal to 60 years. For such situations, when two different outputs are to be specified for two conditions, we use the if, then, else block. In this block, if the condition is true, the code inside the first C shape will be activated. If the condition is false, the code inside the second C shape will be activated.